Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh no, I say. Guys, I'm about to show you something with this clip and show you how you can help and support your content creator or any content creator that you want to support. Now, I'm watching this lady, really nice lady, and she's talking about some things that people is saying towards her, about her, while she is pregnant. Guys, video coming. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to play the video.
And on too early because I had all these comments. How do you still have a belly? How do you still have a belly?
So guys, I pause it. If you look right down here, you see comment. Right in the comment section, if you slide it across like that, you see that thing say hype the video. You see it says 6,110, and over here is a word hype. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to press. So I'm going to press on it. Once you press on it, that's what happened. That comes up. When that comes up, it says hype this video, which this video will get 130 points. So what you do is click on it. There it goes. So you're getting that video is getting 130 points. So in other words, guys, you can support a content creator that way, or you can just any content creator you want to support. It could be me, it could be she, it could be any content creator that you want to support. You feel that it is right to support that content creator. This content creator is very nice, and she just going through a lot, and a lot of people is just commenting very bad things on her comment about she having babies and how much baby she having and all different sort of something. And so guys, I'm coming up with some videos towards her. I could go and listen to a little of what she's saying.
How do you still have a belly? How do you still have a belly? And I was so quick to try and fix it that I injured myself, that I had to go back to the hospital after 3 months.
Guys, you hear that? So remember, new video coming, and I will be telling you about this lady. Stay blessed. Watch no face.